so on A30 are 30 sets, each having 5 elements. So as per the given information, A1, A2, A3 and so on A30. So since there are 30, these are 30 sets, each having 5 elements. As per the question, there are 30 sets named A1, A2, A3 and so on A10, and each is having 5 elements, and that's why I will write it like this. N of A1 is equals to N of A2 is equals to and so on is equals to N of A30 is equals to 5. So this is the given information. And the next thing is B1, B2 and so on Bn are n sets, each with 3 elements. So this is the first collection of sets, and the next one there are n sets with the name B, B1, B2, B3 and so on Bn. How many sets are there here? N sets. And the number of elements in each set is given as 3. So n of B1 is equals to n of B2 is equals to and so on n of Bn is equals to 3. Okay. So these sets have, there are 30 sets, each set have 5 elements. Here are n sets and each set is having 3 elements. Okay. The next part is union of I is equals to 1 to 30 AI is equals to union of j is equals to 1 to n bj is equals to s. The next given thing is, this is the first given task, the second given task and third given task is union of I is equals to 1 to 30 AI is equals to union of j is equals to 1 to n bj is equals to s. Okay. And each element of s belongs to exactly 10 of the AIs and exactly 9 of the bj's, then find n as well as the number of elements in s. So the next task, what it is given, each element of s, okay, you need to observe it, each element of s is in exactly 10 of AIs and 9 of bj's. We need to find the number of elements in S as well as the value of n. Okay, you just try to analyze the problem and then I will give you the explanation now. Okay, see, this is all just the problem, that's it. The first task is there are 30 sets and each set is having 5 elements. Okay, yeah, there are n sets and each set is having 3 elements. Very clear till now. And now it is given like this. What it is, union of I is equals to 1 to 30 AI is equals to union of j is equals to 1 to n bj is equals to s. So what it means, that's what we need to analyze. Union of I is equals to 1 to 30 AI, union of I is equals to 1 to 30 AI is equals to s. What it means, it means you need to replace I with 1 to 30. If you replace in such a manner, see, if you replace with 1, it is A1, union A2, union A3, union and so on, union A30 is equals to S. So there are 30 sets, right? And the union of all those 30 sets is S, right? Since union of all those 30 sets is S, then S must contain all the elements from these 30 sets, right? Right. See, every set has how many elements? 5 elements. Since every set has 5 elements, then how many elements will that S must contain? Since there are 30 sets and each set has 5 elements, then totally that S must contain 150 elements. If all these 5 elements are different from set to set. That in the sense, in first set there are 5 elements, in second set there are 5 elements. If there is no any common element between that A1 and A2, then in that case the union contains, S contains 30 into 5. Each set has 5 and there are 30. 30 into 5, 150 elements in the S. But it is given one condition, one restriction, that see, if each element in S is in exactly 10 of AS. That's what you need to identify. See, if you unionize all these 30 sets, you will get S, and at the end if you analyze, if you take one element of S, that S must contain in 10 of AIs. That in the sense, for suppose if there are different elements, totally you will get 30 sets, each set has 5 elements, 150 elements. But it is given that if you take one element, that element must be there in 10 of AIs, because there are 30 sets. If you take one element, that element must be there in 10 sets. So one element we counted for 10 times actually. You need to neglect all those tasks. Out of those 150 element, every element is repeated for 10 times. Is it right? Since every element is repeated for 10 times, then how many elements will be there? There are only 15 elements. If there is only 15 elements, and if you count each element for 10 times, then only you will get that 150, right? So if all the elements are different, then for sure you will get 150 elements. But as per this restriction, since each element of S is there in exactly 10 of AIs, they mention that exactly 10 of AIs. So every element exactly repeated for 10 times. So totally there are not 150 elements, there are just 15 elements, and if you repeat them, you will get 150. So at the end, how many elements will be there? Not 150, but they are just how many? 15. So I will write it like this. So that implies n of S is equals to, totally there are 30 sets and each set has 5 elements, but as per this restriction we need to divide it with 10, and 30 into 5 by 10 is equals to 15, and that is clear. So the number of elements in the set S is 15. There ends the problem. And the next task is they ask us to find n value. Similarly, as per the second restriction, what is that? Union of j is equals to 1 to n, bj is equals to s. Look there. Union of j is equals to 1 to n, bj is equals to s. Now, if you apply the same logic for this bj's, okay, b1 union, b2 union, and so on union, bn is equals to s. Then again, if you try to write n of s, totally there are n sets and each set has 3 elements. So if all are different, then for sure you will get 3n elements. But they mentioned that each element of S there in exactly 9 of bj's. So each element is repeated for 9 times. So then the number of elements is just is nothing but n into 3 by 9. And that n into 3 by 9 is simply nothing but n by 3. So n of S, if you count from the sets AIs, it is 15. If you count from the sets BIs, it is n by 3. So at the end, this is n of S and that is also n of S. So number of elements in S as n of S must be same. So that 15 is equals to n by 3. Since 15 is equals to n by 3, your value of n is what? 45. Then for the problem, the value of n is 45 and the number of elements in the set S, n of S is equals to 50. Okay, see, very frequently asked problem. Okay, usually you will get this problem in each and every material. Okay, just have a look once. Here, if all the elements are different, then for sure you will get 30 into 5 elements. But since each element is repeated for exactly 10 of AIs, you need to divide with 10, and at the end your answer is 15. Okay, you need to analyze and you need to think. That's the question needs actually. Just think about it.